Oh, yeah. Blizzard of 2016. I think it's January 23rd. Well, got that in the fall. $240. Half off. Yeah, it's great. Seen it at Lowe's. $500. $499. $500. Yeah, thank God, because I was going to try and shovel this out. I'm in good shape and all, but this would be pretty miserable. And the small screen, I don't know how well it's doing, but snowblower did its thing, and it's still snowing. So, I might end up doing it again. Drifting, snowing, it's stuff. I don't think I'm taking that car tomorrow. I'm taking the truck. Finally had a blizzard where it happened before they opened, so they couldn't hold everybody until it was too dangerous to drive, and then you can go home. Well, it's too dangerous to drive. What the fuck you doing? Well, we ain't the ones driving. You are. You get into an accident. Oh, we didn't say you had to. Sure. Oh, man. I don't know if you can see much. It's a definite snow disaster again. Not a lot to say yet. I don't really talk too much unless I'm drinking. This is quite a disaster. I could have, because I have when I lived in the city. You can't park out front, but we gotta plow that. And we're not gonna plow the back. That's not our problem. It's yours.